Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make peanut brittles. Before I start, I am preparing all needed as there is not much time in between after you start. First, prepare a tray to transfer after cooking completed. Then I am keeping ready 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract together. Before we start, I would like to thank all the friends from Sri Lanka who liked, commented and shared my videos. If you like any recipe from me, please comment below. I will try my best to provide you the recipes you are looking for. Thank you. Tell if this is the first time you see my recipe. If so, don't forget to follow me on Facebook or YouTube. Now let's get started. First I am adding 2 cups of sugar into a pan and cook them on medium heat. Then adding ½ cup of water. Cook this until color starts changing to light brown. Once color start changing, reduce flame into low heat. And make sure you stir them continuously to avoid sugar get hardened. After sugar caramelized, switch off the cooker, and immediately add the prepared butter and stir well for few seconds until butter dissolve. Then I am adding 1½ cups of roasted peanuts and mix them well. After mixing them, quickly move the mixture into the tray you prepared before. Now I am flattering the mixture. Make sure you do all these steps when mixture still warm. Then you can cut into pieces, in any shapes you like. At this moment I would like to know, from which country you are joining with us, to send you a special greetings in the next recipe. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. I hope you like the recipe. Thank you.